Smash that like button.
Hello everyone, follow me and make a friend who understands English. Let's start. Sunburn. Skin damage from too much sun exposure. He forgot sunscreen and got a terrible sunburn. Cooler. A device that cools air or a box that keeps drinks cold. They kept the drinks in a cooler during the picnic. Flipflops. Casual open-toe footwear. I always wear flip-flops to the beach. Lemonade. A cold drink made with lemon juice, water and sugar. A glass of lemonade is so refreshing on a hot day. Swimsuit. Clothes worn for swimming. She packed her swimsuit for the pool party. Sun hat. A wide hat worn to protect from sun. She wore a sun hat to stay cool while gardening. Ice cream truck. A van that sells ice cream and plays music. The kids ran outside when they heard the ice cream truck. Sunglasses. Eyewear that protects your eyes from sunlight. Don't forget your sunglasses, it's super bright outside. Sweatproof. Resistant to sweat, doesn't wear off easily. She used a sweatproof foundation for the summer party. Breeze. A light and pleasant wind. The sea breeze made the hot day feel better. Watermelon. A juicy summer fruit with green rind and red flesh. We chilled slices of watermelon for a picnic snack. Dehydration. A condition caused by not drinking enough fluids. Dehydration can happen quickly in extreme heat.
Don't forget to subscribe.